Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enter coordinates in Google Map. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to enter the coordinates in Google Map, firstly open your notes to look for the coordinates. Copy the coordinates and open your Google Map application. On the search box, enter or paste the coordinates that you have copied. It will pin the location on map with the direction from your location. Now, entering the coordinates of decimal degrees, copy the coordinates and open Google Maps once again. Enter or paste the coordinates as before and make a search. It will pin the location in no time. This is how you can enter the coordinates in Google Map. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.